already. I had one shield that would avoid us losing a fragment if we ever needed it. I don't think we've used it yet. I'm not positive though. This is 10,000 Islands, Paradise Coast, Southwest Florida. This particular island is Marco Island. There's a whole bunch of islands back here. All right, we gotta find one of these boxes. That guy has a funny design on his boxes. That's not the box that I found yesterday that floated up. Kind of looks like that guy's box right there. It's gotta be somebody that was closer to me though, I would think. It's gotta be one of my neighbors. We're just around 1 p.m. or 1300. Yeah, keys are wonderful. I love the keys. But this is the best area to shell if you're into shelling in the entire United States. There's also tons of dolphin here and manatee. It's a beautiful area. Susie is awesome. Susie's awesome. Susie is awesome. Susie's awesome. Is awesome. Susie's awesome. Okay, that's kind of what it looks like too. That is pretty much exactly what the thing looks like that's in my yard right now. That's covering those. All right, so let's look for one of these that's missing one of those. All right, that's what we're doing right now on the end of this. Do you have go see manatees on this sea-doo? Yeah, we see them sometimes, but normally I see them on the beach. They come right up on the beach or close to the shoreline, and when we're walking, we'll walk along with a bunch of them. I saw a lot more when I lived in Lee County. They feed in the Charlotte Harbor to the north, so there's a lot more in that area a lot of times. But they'll be here this time of year through July about, and I won't see them as much after that. I think it's this guy's right here. I think it's this guy's right here. That's one person it could be. Christelle, 59, thank you for the Team Heart Me. That's double points. Double points. I think that is the missing box. 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 It's probably somebody that was closer to me. Maybe it's my actual neighbor. God Lord, it could be him too. I don't see anything on his. I don't remember if there was anything on that.